I would like to address the question, why should we have a BVR? Why should we register anew when it comes to May? Because, as you were saying, technically all of us are not registered voters. I've seen a lot of stuff flying around, people encouraging others to go and register to vote. I don't know where they are supposed to register to vote, because registration is going to start for all of us in May. And the good thing about having a new voters roll is that we had a voters roll that had quite a lot of anomalies. I would take you to the voters roll that was used in 2008. We had about 5,362 children on that voters roll, and 93 of those were less than 4 years. And technically in Zimbabwe we don't have automatic voter registration, and you wonder where they were coming from. Also, we had about 17,475 people who were 107 years old. It was the same age. 17,475 is not a small number. So we have a voters roll that really needs to be done away. And if you look at the figures that ZEC is throwing now, they are saying that they are projecting to register about 5.5 million people through the BVR. But in the last election, we had 6.6 million registered voters. So there's a difference of 1.1 million that they are not anticipating to register. Are they real people? Are they dead? Why are they not projecting to register 6.6 million? I think they know something. They know that technically we have not more than 5.5 million people. I've also heard arguments that it's no longer possible to register people anew if we are going to have an election next year. But the election that we're going to have next year will be around July, September. So we have more than 16 months to that election. And we have ample time, because what we are doing now, we are not inventing the wheel. Zambia did that in 2011 with a budget of 25 million. In 186 days, they registered 5.1 million people. And they were using 6,437 centers to register. But I'm told by ZEC that they are going to use 9,735 polling centers to register people, because they are going to use all the polling stations that they used in the 2013 election as registration centers. So if I make my calculations well, if you need to register 5.5 million people, or using 9,700 polling stations, it would take you about 113 days, which is less than 4 months to complete that registration exercise. So technically, time-wise, it's possible. We can register people from May until September. We are done. Thank you for now.